Hi there folks, I'm your digital marketing cowboy. Now today we're going to be discussing pain points. Yes, as a marketing person it's very important to know the certain pain points of your audience. And then you get your finger and you start pushing on them. Seriously, we all have these pain points in our lives, things that we need help with. So if you as a marketing person can discover these pain points and give a solution, you're well on your way of making friends. Now today Ron is going to be showing you 3 basic pain points and giving you his original solutions. Enjoy.
Hi guys, Ronnie here. So today we're going to be pushing on the pain points, right? Yeah, we human beings will be able to survive for thousands and thousands of years using something very special that we all possess, and that is our ability to adapt. We have creativity. Now don't go saying that you haven't got that. If you didn't have that, you wouldn't be here, right? Pain point number 1. Oh my God, I haven't got the right gear. I need to be able to shoot HD video 4K.
You know, I haven't got any good gear. You know, I haven't got the right video gear.
And when I started out with video, I thought I had to have all the great gear, all the great stuff, you know, HD, 4K, 5K, 6K, 7K. But all I had was this old little iPhone. So the big secret is, if you're using an old phone and an old camera, or maybe an old camcorder from your granny, make it your style. Pain point number 2. So my next pain point was, well, I haven't got any microphone, any good quality sound. So I grabbed an old phone, clicked on record, put it in my pocket and grabbed some old earphones. And on these earphones is a little microphone. Cut off the earpieces or tuck them in your shirt, clip that with a paper clip onto your shirt. There you go, problem solved. So the sound might not be amazing, right? It might not be the beautiful surround that you hear in the cinema with a beautiful low and a crispy little high. No. But all you got to do is make it your style. Pain point number 3. So here I was now with my camera and my wireless microphone system in the early morning, getting up feeling really depressed inside because it was dark and I had no lights. So I walked over to the window and opened up the curtain. I looked up at the sky and I saw the most amazing light. Natural, beautiful light. Totally for free. Up in the sky. Make it your style. Hi guys, I just wanted to share a little new gadget that I got. I couldn't help myself. This is the little box and you can click that onto your iPhone, and what that gives you is 2 separate microphone inputs, one going to the left, the other one going to the right, and a little headphone jack in the middle. Now this is really great for interviewing. So you can have one person on one channel on the left and another person on the other channel on the right. And in the video editor, you have them separately and you can mix them beautifully. If you're interested, click on the link below. Really good stuff. Bye-bye.
Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now if you'd like to help me grow this free YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, I'll keep you informed when a new video rolls into town. Bye-bye.